Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to discuss a theorem that name is maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, here this theorem states that the maximum power can transfer from the source to the load when the load resistance is equal to the Thevenin's resistance. Okay, let this is a network. Okay, here the source supply source P. Okay, this is the load. Okay, here C, the theorem states that the maximum power can transfer from source to load when this load resistance is equal to the Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Okay, this Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Okay, it is only for DC. It is only case for DC network. For AC network we later discuss. Okay, here see, for RL equal to RTH. Okay, means Thevenin's resistance. Okay, then next we are going to prove this, how the Thevenin's resistance is to be load resistance when the maximum condition occur. Okay, this is a Thevenin's equivalent network. This is a Thevenin's equivalent network. Okay, this is the Thevenin's voltage. Okay, this is the RTH and this is RL. Okay, here this current I flowing through this circuit. Okay, let you find this I equal to how much? This I equal to, this is VTH divided by RTH plus RL. Okay, then here the P at the load is equal to I square RL. Okay, when you put this I value in this, so we got this VTH divided by RTH, see this. Okay, RTH plus RL square. Okay, into this RL. Okay, here you see one condition when the maximum power can transfer. If you increase this RL value, this power can be increased or not, directly proportional. Here see, if you increase this RLs at simultaneously, this I will be decreased or not, or not, so that when I will decrease, this will be decreased. Okay, so in this condition, if you draw a characteristic equation, some case if you increase the RL, initially it will increase, but some condition it got maximum, then it will again decay. If you draw the characteristic equation, power or characteristic plot RL PL with RL, okay, we got a curve like this if we put this value. Okay, but some cases we find a maximum value. Okay, here the maximum condition is the change in power with respect to the change in load is equal to 0. This is the maximum condition according to this curve. Okay, when the maximum point, this will be 0. Okay, so from this derivation we can find this RL equal to RTH. Okay, let find the derivative with derivative of the power with respect to the load. This is the power. Okay, we are going to discuss about this. Okay, see. Okay, let dPL equal to dRL is equal to the derivative of this. Okay, so that this is take VTH square as common. Okay, take derivative of this is how much? See here, see one thing, this is how much? This is RTH. Okay, let's this is RTH plus RL square. Okay, into 1 derivative of RL, okay, then minus 2 RL RTH plus RL, okay, is equal to bracket close, okay, this equal then RTH plus RL square, okay, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, okay. Then if you more simplify, take this side, this to this side and this to this side, so that they are 0. Finally you got this, okay, finally you got this RTH plus RL square minus 2 RL into RTH plus RL is equal to 0, okay. Take this to this side, so that we got this RTH plus RL whole square, okay, this is equal to 2 RL into RTH plus RL, okay. Then more simplify, this is RTH square plus RL square plus 2 RTH into RL is equal to 2 RL RTH plus 2 RL square, okay. This is this much, okay. We can cancel out this 2 RTH RL this much and these two this, okay. So we finally got RTH square equal to RL square, okay. Then we got this RTH is equal to RL, okay. This is our final objective, to find this, how this theorem is proved. You can prove this theorem, okay. Let's find how much power to deliver in the load, in the how much maximum power can deliver, okay. We know that previously P equal to VTH square divided by RTH plus RL square into RL, okay. We can put this RL value here for maximum power, for maximum, okay, at load, only load. So this is how much, VTH square, this is VTH square divided by, put RL equal to RTH, so that this is RL square, okay. This is this is RTH and this is RTH, okay. Finally we got VTH square divided by 4 RTH square into RTH, okay. We can cancel out this, so final VTH square divided by 4 RTH. This is our final answer, okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. In our next video we are going to discuss how the problem related to maximum power transfer theorem. Thank you for watching.